Hello everyone, R3D Shifters here, and this is a quick tutorial on how to replace a motor mount. We recommend using a pair of pliers, preferably with a smooth surface so you don't hurt anything. The easiest way to remove a motor mount is to grab the closest part to the frame and then add a slight rotation as you pry it off. So let's go ahead and rotate it off and it'll come right off. And we'll do the same thing with the rest of them. So grab at the bottom part, closest to the frame, and then rotate it off. Same thing here. Here we go. So now let's talk about putting a new motor mount back in. I'm going to use the same one. So what you want to do is line up the hole with what we call the latch, which sits right here. And you want to hold it against it like this. The easiest way to do that is to clamp one side in and then continue while holding it down like so on an angle and clamping the other side in. So you're basically doing it like a seesaw. So you start on an angle, so you clamp one side, you hold the side that you clamp down. As you can see now it's sitting on an angle, then you continue with the other side, clamp it back in. Now sometimes this is going to go hard and you're going to have to do it maybe twice. So for example, this is going to go in but not fully, so you hold it and then you go to the other side again, and then vice versa. That's it. This is how you disassemble and assemble a new motor mount. Hope that helps. Happy flying.